Have you ever wondered what secrets Antarctica, the world's coldest, driest, and windiest continent, holds beneath its icy surface? This frozen expanse of white, located at the very bottom of our world, is the southernmost continent and the proud host of the South Pole. Imagine an area twice the size of Australia, but instead of kangaroos and scorching heat, it's home to vast ice sheets that stretch as far as the eye can see. The ice here is so thick it makes up about 70% of the world's fresh water. Astonishing, isn't it? The climate is as unique as it is harsh. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth, with temperatures that can drop below -80 degrees Celsius. It's a land of extremes, from bone-chilling cold to hurricane-force winds. Yet, despite the severe conditions, it is a place of profound beauty and mystery. Dive with me into the icy depths of Antarctica and uncover the mysteries of this frozen wonderland. Despite its harsh conditions, Antarctica has attracted explorers and scientists for centuries. This icy wilderness, a world of white and blue, has been a beacon for those with a thirst for discovery and a taste for adventure. Let's turn back the clock to the year 1820. This was the year when the first recorded sighting of Antarctica was made. It was a Russian expedition led by Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen and Mikhail Lazarev that first laid eyes on this frosty frontier. But it wasn't until 75 years later, in 1895, that the first landing would take place. This landing was achieved by an all-male party from Norway, led by the renowned Antarctic explorer Carsten Borchgrevink. This brave group of men dared to set foot on the icy desolation, a feat that had never been accomplished before. They faced unimaginable challenges, battling the freezing temperatures, fierce winds, and treacherous terrain. Imagine the biting cold, the kind that seeps into your bones, and the wind, a howling monster that threatens to sweep you off your feet. Now imagine trying to navigate through this with limited resources, outdated equipment, and no guarantee of survival. Yet these men pressed on, driven by a potent mix of curiosity, ambition, and sheer determination. Their journey was fraught with danger and hardship, but they were pioneers, laying the groundwork for those who would follow in their frosty footsteps. Their experiences, their trials, and their triumphs provided invaluable insights into the realities of the Antarctic environment. They showed us that despite its harshness, Antarctica was not an insurmountable challenge, but a realm of endless possibilities. Their discoveries were not only geographical, but also scientific, offering glimpses into the unique ecosystems and extraordinary wildlife that call this icy wilderness home. Their courage and determination paved the way for future explorations and discoveries. They opened up a new world, a world that continues to captivate us with its stark beauty and its enduring mysteries. Their legacy lives on, not only in the annals of exploration history, but also in the spirit of adventure that continues to push us to explore the unknown. The early 20th century saw a race like no other, a race to the South Pole. This was an era when the last uncharted regions of the world were being explored, and the South Pole was the ultimate prize. Two brave men stood out in this quest, Roald Amundsen from Norway and Robert Falcon Scott from Britain. Amundsen, a seasoned explorer, meticulously prepared for the journey. He selected a team of experienced polar explorers, trained them rigorously, and equipped them with the best gear of the time. Amundsen also learned from the Inuit people of the Arctic, adopting their survival tactics and sled dog transportation methods. On the other hand, Scott, a naval officer by profession, relied heavily on motor sledges, ponies, and man-hauling. His preparations were comprehensive but lacked Amundsen's attention to detail. Scott's reliance on newer technologies, while innovative, did not always prove reliable in the harsh Antarctic conditions. The journey itself was a testament to human endurance and determination. Amundsen's team, using their sled dogs, made swift progress. They reached the South Pole on December 14, 1911, planting the Norwegian flag in the frozen wilderness. Amundsen's careful planning and use of proven survival tactics paid off. Scott's team, facing equipment failures and adverse weather conditions, arrived at the South Pole 5 weeks later, only to find the Norwegian flag already fluttering in the wind. The disappointment was profound, but the worst was yet to come. On their return journey, Scott and his entire team perished due to a combination of exhaustion, starvation, and extreme cold. This race to the South Pole was not just about reaching a geographical point, it was a testament to human courage, resilience, and the insatiable desire to explore the unknown. While Amundsen's team celebrated their victory, the world mourned the heroic yet tragic end of Scott's team. Their journeys, both triumphant and tragic, remain iconic in the annals of polar exploration. Fast forward to the present day, and Antarctica is more than just a frozen wasteland. Indeed, it is a bustling hub of scientific research and discovery. The severe and extreme environment of Antarctica offers a unique laboratory for scientists from around the globe. They brave the harsh conditions to uncover the continent's secrets and learn more about our planet's history and its future. Research stations pepper the continent, each dedicated to a different field of study. Glaciologists delve into the mysteries of ice cores, which are like time capsules preserving the Earth's atmospheric history over hundreds of thousands of years. Biologists study the hardy wildlife that calls this icy desert home, from the emperor penguins to the microscopic krill. And then there are the meteorologists, astronomers, and geologists, each contributing a piece to the complex puzzle that is our Earth. Antarctica is also the heart of global climate research. The continent's ice sheets hold crucial information about past climate patterns, helping scientists predict future changes. As the front line of climate change, Antarctica's melting ice is a stark warning of the dramatic shifts our planet is undergoing. But Antarctica is not just a place for science, it's a symbol of international cooperation and peace. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959, designates the continent as a scientific preserve, banning military activity and prohibiting mineral mining. It's a powerful testament to what humanity can achieve when we set aside our differences and work towards a common goal. Research in Antarctica is not just about understanding the past, it's about preparing for the future. As climate change continues to reshape the world as we know it, the data gathered from this icy frontier is more vital than ever. It's a beacon of hope, offering us the tools to navigate the challenges ahead and build a more sustainable world. This icy continent continues to offer invaluable insights into our planet and its changing climate. It's a testament to human resilience and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, even in the most inhospitable corners of the Earth. But what does the future hold for Antarctica? As we peer into the crystal ball of time, the fate of this frozen frontier is as unpredictable as it is crucial. The most significant threat looming over Antarctica is climate change, a specter that has the potential to irrevocably alter this icy landscape. Imagine, if you will, a world where the colossal ice sheets of Antarctica are reduced to a mere trickle. This isn't a far-fetched dystopian narrative, but a possibility that scientists are increasingly warning us about. The melting of these ice sheets could cause sea levels around the globe to rise dramatically, leading to catastrophic flooding in coastal areas. But it's not just about the rising sea levels. The loss of ice also means a loss of habitat for the unique wildlife that calls Antarctica home. From the majestic emperor penguins to the tiny krill that form the base of the food chain, all life here is interconnected and dependent on the ice. Climate change doesn't just threaten Antarctica's wildlife, it also endangers the very balance of our planet's ecosystems. You see, Antarctica's icy expanse plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's temperature. The snow-covered surfaces reflect sunlight back into space, helping to keep our planet cool. If the ice melts, less sunlight will be reflected, accelerating global warming even further. Despite these grim predictions, there's still hope for Antarctica. Scientists and conservationists are working tirelessly to study and protect this unique environment, armed with the knowledge that what happens here affects us all. International agreements like the Antarctic Treaty system are in place to safeguard this last untouched wilderness, prohibiting any activity that could harm the environment or disturb the peace. And as individuals, we can all contribute by reducing our carbon footprint and advocating for stronger climate policies. The future of Antarctica is in our hands, and its fate is intrinsically tied to the health of our entire planet. As we tread into the unknown, let's ensure we leave a legacy that future generations can be proud of. Let's ensure the Antarctica of tomorrow remains as pristine and majestic as it is today. So, we've journeyed through time and across icy landscapes to explore the mysteries of Antarctica. We've delved into the early days of exploration, where intrepid adventurers braved harsh conditions in search of new frontiers. We've relived the dramatic race to the South Pole, a testament to human resilience and the thirst for knowledge. We've also ventured into the present, where Antarctica serves as a hub for scientific research, offering unique insights into climate change and our planet's history. Lastly, we've glimpsed into the future, pondering the challenges that this remote continent may face and the role we play in its preservation. The narrative of Antarctica is a rich tapestry, woven with threads of discovery, endurance, science, and sustainability. It's a narrative that continues to unfold, with each new layer adding to our understanding of this enigmatic land. Remember, Antarctica isn't just a distant frozen land. It's a vital part of our world, and its story is our story too. We hope you enjoy our video, and if you want to know more interesting facts on more different topics, then please show us some love with a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.